Imagine peering into a microscope, expecting to see the familiar dance of life, cells dividing, bacteria wriggling, the building blocks of everything we know. But what if, hidden just beyond our reach, there's something else? Something so alien, so fundamentally different that it could threaten all life on Earth. What if Earth's next extinction event is happening right under our microscopes, and we can't even see the enemy? This isn't the plot of a sci-fi movie, this is a real scientific mystery, so what the heck is mirror life? It's a mind-bending idea that's been haunting biologists and chemists for decades. Picture this, every living thing on Earth, from the tiniest microbe to the tallest tree, is built from molecules that twist in a certain direction. But what if there was another form of life, one that's the mirror image of everything alive today? Not just a copy, but a true opposite, with molecules that spiral the other way like a reflection in a cosmic funhouse mirror. Our DNA spirals to the left, a property called chirality. It's one of the most basic rules of biology, but mirror life's DNA would spiral right, flipping the script on everything we know about genetics and evolution. It's like discovering you have an evil twin, but instead of plotting in secret, this twin could rewrite the rules of biology itself. Sounds cool, right? But the implications are anything but simple. Here's the twist. Scientists worry that if mirror life ever mixed with regular life, the results could be catastrophic. Imagine two incompatible forms of life, each unable to recognize or interact with the other's molecules. If mirror life somehow emerged, or was accidentally created in a lab, it could disrupt the delicate balance of our ecosystems. It could attack our cells, outcompete native organisms, or even destroy entire ecosystems. In the worst-case scenario, it could trigger a microscopic apocalypse, one that starts invisibly, spreading through soil, water, and air, until it's too late to stop. Now, before you start panicking, take a deep breath. No one's found mirror life in the wild, at least not yet. Our planet seems to be dominated by one-handedness of life, and so far, that's kept us safe. But here's where things get interesting. In recent years, researchers have managed to create mirror molecules in the lab, synthetic versions of amino acids, sugars, and even small proteins that twist the wrong way. These experiments are more than just chemical curiosities. They're proof that mirror life, at least in theory, could exist. And if we can make these molecules, what's to stop nature or a lab accident from going further? That's raising big questions in the scientific community. Could a single mistake in a high-tech lab unleash a new form of life that our immune systems can't fight? Could mirror microbes slip through our defenses, undetected by our tests and treatments? Could a lab mistake unleash something we can't stop? The idea might sound far-fetched, but history is full of examples where tiny organisms change the world. Think of the Black Death, or the emergence of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. That's why scientists working with mirror molecules follow strict safety protocols, biohazard suits, sealed labs, and layers of security. The goal is to keep these experiments contained, and to make sure that nothing unexpected escapes into the environment. Experts say the odds of a disaster are super low. The barriers between mirror life and regular life are huge. Our enzymes can't process mirror molecules, and vice versa. In theory, even if mirror microbes escaped, they'd struggle to survive in our world. But the risk, however tiny, is too wild to ignore. The mere possibility of a new form of life, one that could slip past our defenses and change the course of evolution, demands caution, vigilance, and a healthy respect for the unknown. Mirror life is a creepy reminder that the biggest threats to humanity might not come from asteroids or supervolcanoes, but from the invisible world all around us. The tiniest changes at the molecular level can have consequences that ripple across the planet, and sometimes the most dangerous things are hiding in plain sight, waiting for the right moment to emerge. If you love mind-blowing science like this, hit subscribe and join our community of curious minds. We dive into the mysteries that keep scientists up at night and explore the frontiers where science fiction meets reality. The universe is full of weird, wild possibilities, and together we'll keep exploring the strangest, most fascinating frontiers. Who knows what we'll discover next?